First, you have to log in into your cPanel. After logging into your cPanel, you have to check where is your email section. You can find it on the top. After that, you have to click on the email accounts. After clicking on the email accounts, here you can find the emails which I have created before. And if you want to create a new email account, then you have to click on this create button. After pressing on this button, you can here create any email address like I am creating right now, info@click2brands.com. And here you have to create a strong password like clicking on this simple on this button. And after creating this strong password, you can simple copy and paste this anywhere on the notebook. If this is done, and then you have to simply click on this button create, and your email has been created. This is the only way in your cPanel you can create email address as many as you want. So if you like the video and it's helpful for you, so please subscribe our channel and share this video and like our video.